ladies and gentlemen, are we ready to see some monster trucks do some wheelies here tonight? Oh yeah, baby, I think we are ready. And again, you are going to be the judges for tonight's monster truck wheelie contest. So pay close attention, as each truck will have 2 opportunities to do a wheelie. Now, there's 1 or 2 ways to do a wheelie. You can do a sky wheelie, which is basically to point the nose up at the sky, or you can try to walk that wheelie, which means you get the front end up, and once you get it on that balance point, you nail the throttle, you just carry that puppy and let her eat. Let her roll down. How many of you want to see somebody walk a wheelie tonight? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about ready to begin tonight's wheelie contest. And our first contestant comes to us from DeLand. Ladies and gentlemen, up first, Roy Pridgeon with the Ice Cream Man. All right, there you go, ladies and gentlemen, your first competitor in tonight's wheelie contest, Roy Pridgeon with the Emily Oil Ice Cream Man. So he's going to set the bar for everybody else here to follow. That could be interesting. Ladies and gentlemen, our next competitor getting ready in the pit area for tonight's wheelie contest. He wants to be on top all night long. He was talking smack with the other drivers about it earlier this evening. Our next truck getting ready to rock and roll should be RAZIN Kane, driven by Buddy Tompkins. And this truck, like Scott Hartsock with Gunslinger, has made an appearance at the World Finals in Las Vegas many, many times. So how about it, folks? Are we ready for a little RAZIN Kane? And that's also going to be a little bit of a tough act to follow for our other 2 trucks that are going to be a part of tonight's wheelie contest.
We're pulling Jester.
Our next truck getting prepped and ready. So you've seen the Ice Cream Man and you've seen RAZIN KANE. Now it is time to turn the teeth loose. Our next competitor will be J.R. McNeil from Lake Mac with the Emily Oil Exterminator. J.R. McNeil with the Emily Oil Exterminator getting it done here. He was trying to time out the slap wheelie on both those and just couldn't quite get what he was looking for. So that is 3 of our 4 competitors. We're going to get our drivers down here in a second, and then we're going to let you be the judges to decide who our winner is going to be. Now, while the drivers are getting ready to come over, as you know, Jester is not able to compete right now because they've got to work on that problem that Todd was talking about with Matt a few minutes ago. So here's the deal. When we get to racing, we're going to have 4 trucks for Monster Truck Racing. Round 1 is going to be the qualifying round that's going to set the brackets. Then we'll have round 2, which will be the semifinal races. And then the final round will be the championship race. All right. Looks like we got our drivers making their way over here. Give Scott a second to go ahead and get himself out of the truck here and make his way down. And I see we got Buddy down there already. I see we got Roy. So they'll make their way down in front here. And again, it's going to be up to you folks to decide the winner of tonight's Monster Truck Showdown Wheelie Contest. Again, brought to you by our friends from Bubba Burger, by Agricon, the Kubota Superstore, and by Citrus County Auto Recyclers. All right, I think we're about ready, Todd. Shall we find out who won this bad boy wheelie contest here, or what?
We got all of our drivers making their way out here right now. Again, Matt Pagliarillo and Jester working on that machine feverishly in the back. Roy Pritchard with Ice Cream Man, Buddy Tompkins, RAZIN KANE, Scotty Hartsock with the Gunslinger, making his way over, J.R. McNeil with the Emily Oil Exterminator. So, let's count them off as they came out. Who thinks your wheelie champion tonight should be Ice Cream Man? Second truck out was Buddy Tompkins, RAZIN KANE. Oh my. J.R. McNeil and the Emily Oil Exterminator. last but not least, Scott Hartsock, Gunslinger. RAZIN Kane, Buddy Tompkins, what a slap wheelie down the front stretch. These fans saw that slap wheelie. That's a great feeling, man. Great job.
Yeah, you know, I appreciate every one of you guys coming out here tonight. It's the first time we're having a big full-blown monster truck show. What you guys think about it so far?
All right, Buddy, now up next is racing. This is a crazy course that you haven't ran much on anything like this, so what are you thinking?
I haven't. It's definitely a driver's course. You know, I got a big background in drag racing, so that's what I'm coming out here to do. I just won wheelies, so hopefully I can win racing, and then what's left? Freestyle.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, Buddy Tompkins, RAZIN Kane.
All right, so there is your winner for tonight's Monster Truck Wheelie Contest.
Oh my God, was I not recording?